Our world is built on violence. Not just man-made, but the wrath of nature itself. Every corner of the earth carries its own unique nightmares. Mountains tear themselves apart and explode, sometimes with even more energy than 1,000 nuclear bombs. The earth itself violently shakes and trembles, breaks itself into pieces, in the process causing more death and destruction than any other type of natural disaster. Those earthquakes lead to tsunamis, giant towering ocean waves that wash out and destroy entire coastal regions. Earthquakes are our planet at its most violent. Nothing else comes close to that level of energy released in just seconds. Hurricanes that are over 1,000 miles wide, forming out in the open ocean, growing in scale and speed, then slamming into densely populated cities and wreaking havoc for days on end. Yet, amongst all of nature's catastrophes, tornadoes remain the most elusive and the most mysterious.